Dear students of class 6, I am Tripathi sir here, going to teach you chapter number 11 of science, that is electricity and circuits. Now in your day-to-day life, you are using many appliances which run with the help of electricity, like your refrigerator, like your mixture grinder, TVs, and other items of your fans, bulbs in your houses. They all run with the help of electricity. So what is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrons. Now this is a kind of energy which we get from various sources. The sources from which we will get energy are known as its sources like battery, generators, or cell. The SI unit of measurement of electric current is known as volt, that indicated by letter V. There are three conditions required to run an appliances or to get the electricity. That is a device which can give you electric energy like a cell or battery. Other is the wire which may be connected from cell to the source of light. Third is the unbroken loop of wire running from one terminal to another. Generally a battery has got two terminals, one is positive, other is the negative. When both terminals are connected through a appliances like bulbs and all, and circuit will be completed, you will get the electricity and your source will start working. Now an electric bulb, earlier days it was made of the tungsten wire which are giving you yellowish color because tungsten is a metal which has got high melting points. But nowadays generally which we are using the bulb in our houses, that is LED bulbs, light emitting diode, they are giving more light with less energy. Now sources of electrical current, if you will come to know that I told you a very famous sources is known as dry cell. Here you can see how dry cell has been made. Inside the structure it is made from the ammonium chloride and magnesium manganese dioxide. It kept in a container. In center one carbon rod is there. Top of carbon rod is known as positive terminal and outer cover given by a zinc plate, that is known as the zinc container, which is act as the negative terminal. When you put in torch or join two end of the dry cell, you will get energy and your light will start glowing. Same way here is a battery which is being used in the cars, your buses, or even in motorcycle, scooters also, so give you energy and for running the engines in starting point. Now the button cell also very famous nowadays. It is just having a structure of a button like structure. Generally these cells are being used in a small area like your toys, watches and all. Solar cells also famous nowadays. It gives us solar energy and it converted into electrical energy. Here right side you can see electrical circuit. Electrical circuit means when you join two wires with the help of electrical sources, that is cell, and the circuit is completed, your light will glow. If circuit is not completed, it is broken from some place, either by wires, either by key, then your circuit will not get completed and you will not get energy. This way you can see here also many circuit has been made. So the circuit are two types, one is the closed circuit, other is open circuit. When circuit is completed properly and your electrical appliances start working, it is known as the closed circuit. When circuit is not completed properly, it is broken or loosened somewhere, that is known as the open circuit. So this way conductor and insulator. You know, all metals and materials, they do not have electricity to flow to them. In such cases, electrical conductor and insulators, two words are given. Some materials, like you can say the silver, copper, gold and all, iron also, they are having electricity to flow through them. So these are known as conductors. And opposite way, the materials like wood, plastics, rubber and all, they do not carry any electricity. That is why they are known as insulator. Now, if you not work properly with the electrical appliances, you can get electric shock. So, while working with the electricity, work properly and take the electrical safety precautions which is given point-wise here. Read it carefully, and these precautions to be taken while you are functioning with the electricity. Once you come here, now some appliances, their measurement with we are doing the help of watts. How many watts bulb are you are having? How many watts your electricity have required to run them? So this way, our AC which is more expensive, it has got more watts, so that's why it is consuming more electricity. Now, if you want to save electricity at your home, you must use some tips given here, point-wise. Switch off the electric gadgets when not used. Generally, when you are leaving the room, fans are in running position. Then same way, if you leave your light burning till the time of sunrise, then also it is wasted up. It's this electrical energy. So use energy saving devices like LED bulbs and all. Do not keep the door and your refrigerator open for a long time. When required, you can close these all things. Use copper wires for electrical connection because it has got more conductivity. Make use of solar heaters and solar geysers. Solar energy is a permanent energy which give us energy for longer period. So that's why solar energy can be used for longer period. So you can use solar heaters and solar geyser if possible. Here are keywords given. Short answer to answer also given in this keyword. Same way, if you come here, exercises given. In this exercises, I have done the tick marks. You can go through this. All tick marks has been done here. Next page is the question answer given. See how I marked the question answer. Go it carefully. Some symbols also. Question number 4. Draw the symbols for the following given here. You can draw this symbol with the help of I have marked here or in help of book also. It is given inside the book. Here is nothing but one more page I have given here. That is the fill in the blanks pages, which by mistakes I have put it here. You can see here. It is the fill in the blanks and some tick marks also given here. Go through it. You can get these things properly and do the question answer properly in your copy. Make some diagrams also which you like in the blank pages of your left side. Thank you very much.